You watching wrestling now?
Yeah, no, I'm like, so my live stream is good. You know what I mean? This is my live stream for me. You know what I mean?
The those live streaming?
Yeah, bro. I sent it to you. I'll send it to you right now.
How many people watching?
It's just me. Just me, bro. Just me.
You know,
You can hear yourself. Yeah, I'll send it to you right now. Like it's just something I'm doing for myself. Like I don't care about the views. It's like more like a discipline thing. You know what I mean? That's why I'm doing it. You know, or like if I want to look at my because I don't have no more space on my phone. So I mean not on my phone, my computer. So I can't record anything no more. So you know, why not put it on YouTube, bro? You feel me? Why not?
course, great.
Yeah, yeah, I know. It's like 10 seconds delayed or something like that. Pretty sure that's how like all like lives is like that. Like all the streams are like that. They're like a few seconds. Like none of them are actually like on time. Like a few seconds delayed. All right. So I'm actually connect something. I'm gonna try to pass an account too. You know, yeah, that's another stream of income, bro. If that ever-
I'll send you something at in the morning.
I mean, John actually he texted. Yeah, he did. He sent me something, but he texted me back. He was like, start the group chat. I'll join in a bit. That's what he texted me like a few minutes ago. Got everything situated. I'm ready for the news release. I got my demo. Review accounts. A few more minutes, man. And here, some handles. Here, here. Take what, 22 handles? Oh shit, we're already creeping up towards it, bro. I mean, yeah, so another, right? If price takes out the high, right, I'm gonna still try to wait for buys, bro. Like, I'm gonna just wait for price to drop first. That's the thing. So if we do take us this high beforehand, right, which is, I think that's probably what might happen. You know, I think this was really so. Like, I wouldn't be shocked if like the volatility comes to take this out, right? I'm gonna wait for price to come back, right, and hopefully we could take this low out into here, right, and then from there, I want to wait to see a price who wants to flip it because I really don't want to sell. That's the thing. Like, we're such at like overwhelmingly bullish. Yeah, I just don't want to flat out and like try to like I need like a lot of confirmation for me to be like for me to want to sell. Like I'm trying to see at a point I'd be like, okay, I'll sell here. I mean, that's what I'm looking for right now. So a bare minimum, we gotta at least close underneath this red right you got. Maybe if we close underneath here, right? We could target like here. You see this low right here? Close underneath here. Like that's the only way I really want to take a sell. You feel me? You have to like you have like I said, I need confirmation. I'm not gonna just hold a sell. Even if price drops into here, that's not enough for me to sell. Because if price drops into here, that's still bullish. You know what I mean? That's not really like bearish. That's still bullish, man. It's just retracing. Let me just look again. Make sure there's nothing. Right, if price flips here, there's nothing stopping our way from price taking the liquidity level. Yeah, same thing. We flip that. Check the 1 minute. Alright, so this level is pretty good. It's this 15-minute feel very good. If price decides, if we take this the high out first and price starts to drop. But until then, I guess I'm not gonna want to sell. I don't want to force a sell. Alright, we got 5 minutes to the news release. A little checklist. Right? You got news, just check for that. I wait for 9:30. There's gonna be another check after that. I mean, so far, see prices like it's just hanging around until this low. I mean, this halfway point of the fair value averages. I mean, like so far, if the news could completely violate this, but accumulator right here, just try to close above here. Not strong enough close, obviously. And like I said, before the news, so you don't want to do anything. And also before 9:30 as well. You don't want to do anything before that either. This is when you're so close, 9:26. You don't want to do anything yet. I'm just afraid price might just like run up for this, bro. Like I said, the best case scenario for the best trade we could easily take it. Price does not take this, right, until after the news. That's in my opinion. Like, like if I could get a wish, that's my wish right there. If I could get one wish, that's what I want. Like I said, I would like also I wouldn't be shocked if we take this out before. You know how many times I see this same exact scenario and then price just rips up and takes it out real quick. Now I'm gonna guide the entry. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
What's
That's what. Okay, yes, yes, price, yes. This is yes. Like I said, I want this to stay intact, bro. Do not take this out just yet, bro. That's my goal. I want price to drop. Take out these relative equal lows right here. That's what I would want.
that line you got up there for?
This one,
Yeah.
it's the daily high. See, that's all. It's just the daily high. Remember, on our all time when we're bullish, right? And then in a market like this, right? Your target is the previous days or the all-time highs. You feel me? Like whatever that all-time high is, that's what you want to target. See, it's this high right here. It's literally that candle's high up there, which is also like right close. We didn't take it out yet. You know, it's really right there. Like yesterday we took out this high. The day before that we took out that high. This day, which was Thursday, we took out this high. So every high that's being created, that's your target every single day. So that's what that high is. It's the all-time high. We got 13 seconds to the 9:30. Now, we're just I'm starting to get cooking out here. New price action. Five, four, three, two, one. Let's go. And let's see what price wants to do. Like I said, I prefer price to drop. That's what I would want to see. It can drop or even just stay consolidated a little bit before 9:45. That too. So like I said, I think I might just wait. I might wait. 'Cause I don't want to get caught up in the volatility of the news. Like it just like price like it would have to be such a clean fair value gap for me to try it. Then for me to be confident that we're not gonna violate it. You know what I mean? It's like a really clean fair value gap. But if not, then I'm gonna just wait until after 9:45. But I remember, we wait anyways for the first presenter fair value gap anyway, so we gotta wait for that too. So there's a few things we gotta wait for. Like I said, I mean, I do want price to take out this low before we come take out this high. We come take, maybe sweep this low out. Five, four, okay, we gotta close underneath here. All right, let's go. Raven, Raven, come, 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 come. This is good. This is good. 3, 2, 0, 9. I mean, I'm still going underneath here. Still, not this right now. Fair value gap was kind of holding place. If it goes underneath here, then something will stop and price move on the way. Really nothing spot. If it goes underneath here. At this little shit right now. So kind of like this holding price up right now. Alright, so after 9:30, let me get a check for that. Okay. Then now we look for the first fair value gap. Time is 9:31. Alright, so any fair value gap formed will be our first presented fair value gap. Any fair value gap right now. It doesn't really matter what side it is. It just has to be formed. If it's bearish, wait for it to flip. If it's bullish, we want it to align and try to maybe get in. Same shit. It doesn't really matter. Damn, this nigga John missing valuable price action moments right now. Valuable price action time.
But
You got that? You got this the Google Meet?
yeah,
Oh shit! Oh, that's you. Oh, oh shit! I thought that was that nigga John, bro. I was like,
yeah. All of the first right, yeah, but
yeah, it's about a phone. I mean, we still need one more candle. I mean, shit. I mean, we need one more after. Like, if this were to close with a decent body shape, we need one more close after that.
30 second on the ninja tree.
Because I put a rule for I wait for the first presented fair value gap. Sometimes right, I would enter before with on a 30 seconds. I was like a 30-second fair value gap, but I don't want to do that no more. So I was like, I'm waiting until the first presented fair value gap is printed on the 1 minute, and then I'll work my way down to the 30 second. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. Just leave it at the 1 minute.
That's figure that.
Yeah, like I mean, that's why I wanted to go down. You feel me? Like, I mean, like I said, I wanted to go down first. Like I said, if I want right here, this line. See this fair value gap, this slow right here. I want that. You see, but that's just what holding price up right now. This fair value gap right here. This is really holding
Let's say
price up.
it's slow movement. Doesn't that mean
Here,
it's flip?
this.
So I got
Yeah, yeah, no, but it's just only a 1 minute. It's not. There's really like nothing too strong about it. Yeah, but you're right. Yeah. Okay,
flipped it. Yeah.
but but it's not the first. You feel me? Like it's just I want to listen to my voice. Yes, you technically could, right? I mean, right now, 17, 15. Like we would go for the close, and then press sell and maybe target here. But like I don't want to do that. I just want to stick to what my bias is. But yeah, you could like right here, boom. If you create a fair value gap, you could end this and no fair value gap, no fair value gap. Yeah, like I said, this is why I want price stickers. Price is probably not gonna go. You see, now be close to the tier. This was holding a price. Now price should. Wait, just wait, man, wait, wait, just lay down.
Bitch.
Yeah. Like I said, this is perfect. So far, it's perfect. So far, man. This is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I called out, right? Way before the news. I wanted John to say, be here so I could explain what to look for when you're trading, but it's too late. But anyways, see if we could take this out. And it's fine if price goes into here. This would be perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But now we took out these relative equal lows. But there's still no first presented fair value gap, which is also good because now it's hopefully we could get both of them aligned. Like imagine 9:45, we get the first one with the liquidity. That would be perfect, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that would be perfect. But we just wait. Still nothing to do yet. Just wait.
If you would have answered on this,
It's like it's not that much handles. It's like I mean now it's like 18. There were like 18 handles ish. 18 around that.
there would have been a dub right there. It's right there.
Small little bit from here to here. That's 75 handles. You know, this is what I'm trying. This is what I'm targeting, bro. You feel me? I mean, yeah, you're right. Nice little 15 from here. That's like 70 something handles. But even from here to here, that's like 20. It's like 22-ish or something like that. And you already know price is probably gonna. It's not gonna just. It's probably gonna keep going for like a few more handles up. So still nothing, man. No fair value gap, no nothing. But like I said, so far, good call. Like I said, I did not want price to take this. I want price to take out this low first, and that's what happened. Right? Let me just wait a little bit. All right, a few more minutes, bro. To that 9:45 minutes. Everything so far so good. I'm not gonna. So far so good. So far so good.
It hit the fair value gap. It hit
This
it.
one, not this one. We didn't hit this one. This is the 15 minute. It's I mean, we hit, did we hit, yeah, actually we hit this one actually. So I guess technically we did. We did hit it actually. I mean, fuck, I'll do this then. This one. Still nothing. Yeah, this is fine. There's nothing wrong with this right here. This is fine. The price could still continuously drop into the fair value gap. Something wrong with this right here. We're just gonna just wait it out. We're gonna wait it out. This might be the first one. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the first one. Which is perfect because this is the highest fair value point of the of this little range right here. So once price is here, then yeah. So I'm calling this the first one. The halfway point is exactly what the liquidity is right here too. Pretty cool.
And you would have got bread if you would have entered the break deal. In 983.
Bread is not what you should be focused on when you're trading, bro. Following your rules, bro. Like that's the most important thing you should focus on when you trade, bro. Follow your plan. So if you focus about the bread too much, bro, like it's gonna, I'm telling you, you're gonna mess up, bro. Later down the road, you're gonna over trade, over leverage because you're too focused about the bread. You just want to follow your rules, bro. That's all you want to do. Like I literally have a whole, like I have a checklist, bro. Like I go by one through one through one on my checklist, bro, before I to decide I want to trade. So for the only thing I got check, I mean now I got first fair value gap check. Like I said this is fine. There's nothing wrong with this here at all. Because if anything, this is what I kind of expected. You know what I mean? This is what I was saying. This is what this is what I had actually outlined right here. Now, like I said, now I'm expecting this is perfect, bro. We're dropping right before the news, bro. This is perfect, bro. Now we want to see if there's any will. If we flip this by, easy. Flip this by. Just wait for it to close above. Wait for a value gap to make this what easy. Hopefully we just don't go too crazy before the news. All right. We got one more minute. Come on, one more minute, like 12 seconds, 10 seconds before the news. Don't go to break. Yeah, 1 more minute. 1 minute. So we do nothing until this gets flipped, and I want to like see a good flip, not like a little like one handle we flipping on. I need like a decent flip. Not we just wait. If we don't get a flip yet, we just wait. Okay, it's the news release. Here we go. Let's see what type of news release it is. If it's like a speech, or if it's like just flash, so they just give the numbers out right away.
Good if they're doing call satellites for my battery.
Yeah, yeah, you can just call. Now we just wait it out. We just wait. And that's the part about trading, by being patient. We just wait. Because even right, even if I would not want to sell, even if I was bearish, the reason why because we have this big ass 15-minute fair value gap, like it could go to any point in the side and wants to reverse. Like I said, even if I wanted to think about it, we have to flip this first. That's the first thing first. We flip this before we even think about taking this out. Right now, we just wait. We're kind of like in no man's land right now. We don't want to buy because we're waiting for this, but we don't want to sell because we want this. So we're just like literally in no man's land right now.
You doing CFTC last night?
Yeah, but I mean, we hopped up early. I mean, I was gonna hop up early regardless, but I gotta put the trade. But yeah, I think we hopped up like at 2 something, 2:30. So like a John could jump in there. So because I mean, he told me he wanted to do the Google Meet. That's what he says. Like, I bet I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm gonna give price until like not 10:15, bro. Like that's what's in my thing. Like if nothing happens at 10:15, I'm gonna just walk away and come back the next day. Like I'm not gonna like trade anything. But like so we'll do first to see. Let's see. Still like a lot of time left. What, 30 minutes or so until 9:15. So price could do a lot in 30 minutes. Plus there's also another like I mean he's lesser one. What is this today? Well, Trump also speaks. Shit. So Trump speaks, and then there's Richmond Manufacturing Index. All right. So I mean, there's still more, more news releases. So we just wait a little. Like I said, I'm waiting for this. This is what. If I don't get it, then I'm not taking a trade today. Honestly, like I said, maybe if we flip, depending on how price it looks, depending, feel me. But this is what I really, really want. I want this right here, this level. What you want? What you do?
You're not playing any music?
Nah, not playing no music.
No music.
Yeah, no music.
There's another fair value gap there. You see? It broke above it.
Which one? This one?
No, down there, right after the first one.
This one?
Nah. Wait, what? Hold on.
This is 930.
Nah, after the first presents a fair value gap.
So this one.
Yeah.
But still, even if we closed above here, then nigga, we got this. We got this right here. And this is the most important one, the first one. So this is what I'm not really paying attention about this. This is what I'm looking for right here. Which is also, right here as well. It's like no lines, no boxes. That's just this right here. That's let me see relative equal highs up here. If we close above here. So from here, 47 to around here, that's like it's like 30 handles ish. So we just wait. There's nothing to do right now. We just wait. Most of trading is just waiting. You're waiting for your setup to happen. So for everything that I wanted to happen, exactly happened. Before 9:30, I mean after 9:30, don't take out the highs. We wanted what price to drop. I called it out into where the 15-minute fair value got. Right, it's exactly what I wanted. And we just wait. We wait a little bit more. The price could drop again. It's fine. Like you know what I mean. Like it's fine. It came up into here. We have to reject it from here. So from here, 78. If we come back to here, so like this actually technically is a decent trade, but like I said, I'm not looking for that, so I'm not taking this. 70. If we do take out this low, it'll be like around like 26 handles ish. If we do take out this low, like around 26, 25 or something. Like a little gap right here. We gap up a little bit. Well, let's see how we close. Let's see how we close. We just gap up and close right back. Well, we did actually make the. Actually, I'm still printing. Never mind. But no, here we go. Now we did actually make a little bit. All right, this could be a telling sign right here, bro. This could be a telling sign. Yeah, we gapped up.
¿A dónde vas? Y vamos a ver, maybe voy a la ciudad, no sé. Huevo. Y entonces, ¿tú qué me dices? Yo siempre la realidad. Hijo, baby. Y yo, that sounds good immaculate. My nigga, that sounds immaculate. Let's go. Taco Tuesday. Really? Josh was laughing. You have a big party? Oh, okay. We outside.
Yeah, we dropped a little bit.
What's your song?
Yeah, I'm doing for this, bro. I mean, like I said, I still don't want to enter yet. I really still don't want to. But yeah, I mean, honestly, like I said, from here, this prices drop again. Let me take this one out. Yes, I'm still gonna wait. I'm still waiting for what I want to say.
Espérate, espérate. Can you see it? He's trading. Is it trading? Yeah, it's trading. Chequea. He got on his phone too. He's got to make some money. Yeah. All right. Se cayó. Was she a pie? Yeah, she's coming today or tomorrow. No. Oh, you gave me, but now. Bro, what's gonna happen now?
Wait, that's for me. Wait, bro. We're still on the 15. We're still on the 15. Ain't nothing to do yet, bro. We're still on the 15.
Somebody hurt your voice. Well, bro, he's trading. What? You got a hammer, get thousand. I just watched it. You see it? Yeah, I just watched it. Hey, sir. Your birthday coming up. My birthday coming up. November 18th. But I gotta take me out. Yeah, y'all think I take me out. Oh my god. 24. Add them to the call. Let me see. This would be a real party already. Wow. Just keep them. Oh shit. Yeah, I think so. No, Edwin. Oh, I'm putting it. Mama, Are you going to Pennsylvania? Because of LIR. Shit. Got it? It looks crazy, right?
Yeah. Or just like your sister's friend or something like that.
You said what?
Or if your sister's friend, something like that.
Yeah, it's my sister's friend. The last time she was with the Christian, she said,
Yeah. How come you didn't hear it? Was it your parents were there? Or something?
I had a meeting. That I had to join Slack today. So they went out to talk to them.
Um,
She didn't stay, like, she lives in PA, that's why.
um,
She gonna come back this week.
yeah.
I'm gonna come back.
Yeah. Right, right, John? Yeah.
It's just like 22.
Yeah. Right. It's like your last dish, option or whatever you want to call it. It's like your last option. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still looking at this one, bro. This is the most important fair value gap, which is going to determine. You see how we're underneath it and how price is trading underneath, trading lower. If we trade above it, I'm more than certain we can at least get to here, and then we'll probably get to here for close above here. And if we take this out, then I'm confident we'll take this out. But it all starts with this right here. I mean, yeah, but there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. If it's just for me, I just want to stick on my bias. That's all. But like, you're right. There's nothing. You could have sold. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, you probably. If I was me, you either take profit here or maybe take profit like around here, halfway point of the fair value gap, something like that. But then you're right. There's not. You could have sold. There's nothing wrong with that. I just it's not my bias, so I just don't want to take it. So if I took a loss, I would have been tight. But if I take a loss, if price flips up, I could be like more okay with that. At least that's something I've been waiting for, something that I wanted, something that at least everything that I said has been exactly what price has been doing so far. Leave this up, come take this low, drop into this fair value gap, and see if you could try to push out, and close above it. So now that's the point I'm waiting for to close above it. I mean, it looks like we're finally going to make our first bullish. Have you noticed we have not made not one bullish fair value gap? This could potentially be the first bullish fair value gap in general. So everything has been bearish so far, except for this imbalance. But this is not, it's not really like a fair value gap or anything. Yeah, look at it. Honestly, honestly. Look at this, bro. That's why I'm expecting higher prices, bro. First bullish fair value gap. It's just nothing. It's just the first bullish one. That's all. It's a little known. From 9:30, we have not created a bullish fair value gap. That's what I'm trying to say. I could, but I'm gonna wait for the most confirmation, which is right up here. This is the most confirmation we can get. That price was to go higher. It's up here. I mean, you could enter maybe right here, maybe take something off right here, maybe. You know what I mean? But I don't want to. We still got this right here. We're gonna really close above this. I mean, yeah, no. It just depends what price is. It depends. Like, if price is just like fluctuating around here and it's like 10:15, then yeah, I might close it out. But if like we're like right here about to close it, like close to coming above it at 10:15, then I'll stay a little bit longer. Yeah, but not the way how I wanted to move. You feel me? Like, I mean, like the only real trading opportunities you had was this, right? And then this one right here. That was about it. And even then, what it gave you like this gave you a 19 handle, bro. It's not even that crazy. I mean, here 96 to maybe about like 30 handles ish or something like that. Yeah, it's like 30, so it's not nothing too crazy. I mean, it's decent, just take some profit. Nigga, that's the name of the game, bro. So that's how trading is. You gotta wait, bro. Yeah. I mean, there's nothing you could have done that, Jeff. So I didn't stop you. Telling you, I mean, that's but didn't everything I told you happen, bro? Like. this it wasn't like this is a shocker. Like I told you, this is what I was looking for. So now I'm looking for the next step of what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for right now. The next step. No, no, I'm not gonna wait till 11 minutes. Like, then if I need, maybe I might put like an alert. So price ever comes hit here, right, and touches here, maybe I can start looking at it. I could do that. Get an alert. I could do that. So whenever price comes hit here, I'm getting like a little alert. I'm still confident we're gonna take out the high. It's just I don't know if it's gonna happen now, but I'm like extremely confident we're gonna take out the high. Yeah. I'm like, should I work out? I'm gonna just like work out or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. So what, it's just ice cream and snacks, but I don't get like no chicken, like steak. I mean, like then I just work out and eat, bro. If I can't do nothing, maybe just work out and eat. I got no phone, no nothing. Maybe I could bring my P5 with me. Like I could bring that. Like nah. I mean, just work out, eat, and watch some TV. I mean, that's my only option, right? Like, I got nothing else to do. I won't. If there's nothing else to do, Josh, I'm not gonna figure it. Bro, this news again today? Shit, I don't even know that, bro. Teeth at 12:35. Maybe that's what Price is waiting for. 12:35. Because I did not know there was news again. I know Price is just consolidating right now. Price not doing nothing. Right? All right. How many seconds? 14. All right, come on. Can we at least close above this imbalance? Can we do it? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We cannot. Sure.
You should have just took the salary, man.
Mhm. I'm happy I'm waiting, bro. Like I'm happy that I'm waiting because I'm being extremely patient, bro. Like I've been trying to work on that, bro. I've been trying to really work on my discipline and my patience, bro. So for A+ so far, A fucking plus, bro. I didn't take no trade that I did not want, bro. No trade that Josh. I'm gonna send you this, Josh. If you can follow these rules, Josh, you'll make a lot of money in trading. Like that's what this. I'm more proud about following my rules and making money, bro. Like that's what I'm trying to like, get into my brain, bro. Be more happy with the process than the actual result, bro. Like that's what I'm trying to do, bro. If you could just listen to your rule, Josh, be disciplined to your rules, bro. That is more important than just like entering blindly, bro. I'm telling you, Josh.
But rules could change during time, like the market can change.
No, you're right, but not these rules, bro. These rules gonna always gonna make you increase, bro. These rules gonna always gonna make some money.
I would have made my money already and got out.
You see now, you see, what do I say? I'm waiting for the close above the fair value gap aligned with bias, and that has not happened, right? Fair value gap closed. I mean the first. Let me put below first, above or slash below first. Okay, let me put first. Fair value gap aligned with bias, and that has not happened, right? We want to wait for the first fair value gap to close. I mean, the price to close above the first fair value gap aligned with my bias. That has not happened yet. So there's nothing for me to do. There's
Shouldn't the lower the day form on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday?
Yeah, I mean, I think the low already of the week was like, you see this high, this is where we open this candle. So it's essentially the week is already bullish. This is we're above it. Like I'll show you right now. See, the week is already bullish. This is we're above this. So actually, the low came on like Sunday. See the Sunday or Monday. And we dropped again a little bit more, so that's fine. So, yeah, this is like I said, I might just borrow. It's already like 10:15, 10:17 right now. There's nothing. Holy shit, there's nothing at all with like trade. No, no, nigga, you should have. Nigga, you telling me, but you should have sold your ass. You should have sold.
So
You should have sold, bro. You talking about sell. Nigga, you should have sold, bro. Shit.
it's too late now.
I mean, man, when the fair value gap, I mean, you could, right? You could sell, right? You could sell us. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I mean, Josh, then you can't. Then don't be a trader, bro. If you don't like waiting, don't be a trader. Like you so why didn't you enter, Josh? You should have entered, bro. Josh. I mean, who told you about the first fair value guy, bro? Nigga, ever since I told you, you've been using that left and right. Nigga, that's the only thing you use.
Thought I could trust you, but now I know I can't.
Bro, you should have taken that, Josh. You should have. For me, I'm not taking that. I'm waiting for my setup. So now we can all right, here we go. Maybe a little push. If we can't even close above here, oh my God, bro. This shit is like this. Oh my God. I'm gonna give it to 1020. 1020, nothing there. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna leave my alert here. I'm gonna leave it. 'Cause I feel like maybe you see, I didn't realize, but there's more news at 12:45. So maybe before 12, maybe around that time, price could finally start moving up. So I know we're just consolidating. There's literally nothing to do. It doesn't want to go lower. Like it's struggling going lower. Because right now, since we've been dropping, right, price is currently bearish. So price should con continuously keep dropping, but we're struggling. We go down, we come back up. We go down, we come back up. We come down, like we're struggling to go back up, to go back down right now. But at the same time, we're not going up either. But right now, what price is not? The price is going down for the time being, but we're struggling to go any further lower. We're struggling mightily.
Market's trying to follow the rules, though, but just
Just the market doesn't follow my rules. My rules is based off the market, Josh. The market is always king, bro. The market is always you're always wrong, and the market is always right, bro. That's what it is, bro. You're always wrong. The market is always right. Yeah, the market is always right, bro. Like if you got something wrong and you lost, it's not the market played you. You played yourself, bro. Josh, yeah, I think I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm not gonna trade right now. There's really nothing going on. Like this is just it's terrible, terrible price action. Like this is just terrible. I can't even cap. Like I'm pretty sure the market's like it's waiting for Jerome Powell. That's the reason why it's consolidating for him to speak. So I mean I'm gonna still have this on. Right? I'm gonna have this noted for yeah. I'm gonna, like we can't even close above here, bro. You see this there's some balance. You see how price is literally being held right now, bro. Like we can't even close above there. Like this is just terrible price action. I don't even want to get in. Yeah, this is all right. Nah, but this is a W day. Though. No trade, being patient, not taking like this is a W, Josh. I'm telling you, even though you can't see the W, this is the W, bro. Not taking the trade.